Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Kavita Ashok Educational and Motivational Channel. Right, what is given here? If A comma B comma C are angles of triangle ABC, then show that sine of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. What is given here? A comma B comma C are angles of triangle. So according to the property of triangle, we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Now, by 2 is it. So, divide total equation by 2. A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 180 degrees by 2. Now, this implies. Here B plus C by 2 is A. So, take this A by 2 to the right part. What we will get here? B plus C by 2 is equal to 2 1 ja 2 90 ja. So 90 degrees minus plus A by 2 will become here minus A by 2. 90 degrees minus A by 2. Right. Now take the LHS part. Sine of B plus C by 2 is equal to sine of, in the place of B plus C by 2, what we can replace? 90 degrees minus A by 2. So now 90 degrees minus A by 2. Take this as equation number 1 and write this is from equation 1. So now, so whenever 90 is there, we already know sine changes to cos. So cos A by 2. 90 minus theta is the first quadrant. In first quadrant all the angles are positive. So that's why the answer will be cos A by 2. So finally what is the answer? Sine of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Sine of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Like this, we can solve the problem. Right. One more important problem. If tan A is equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Acute angles. Acute angle in the sense here, it lies in between 0 to 90 degrees or 0 to 90 degrees. If it is 90 degrees, we can call that as a right angle triangle, but any angle in between 0 to 90, we can treat that as a acute angle, right? So this is 90, less than 90 degrees. A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, we have to prove. What is given here? Or let, if is given a let. Tan A is equal to cot B. Right. Here both functions are the different function. This is a tan function and this is cot function. Either we can change tan to cot or we can change cot to tan. I am writing like this. Tan A is equal to, we can write this as tan 90 degrees minus B. Why? Because whenever 90 is there, tan becomes cot. And cot B we will get. So for our conveniency, we changed cot to tan. Now tan A is equal to this one. This implies A is equal to 90 degrees minus B. This implies, take this B to the left part, A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. What we have to prove here? A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So this is very important for 2 marks question. Express sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Here angle is 65 degrees and 75 degrees. Our aim is to convert those angle, that angle lies in between 0 to 45 degrees. Is it clear now? So how can we convert? Look at here now. Sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. This is equal to sine of 75 degrees is in, I am writing like this. 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. Both are same, na? 90 minus 15 is 75 in the sense. Plus cos of, this is 90 degrees minus 25 degrees. 90 minus 25 in the sense, again it will get 65 degrees. Now this is equal to, whenever 90 is there, sine changes to its co-function cos. So cos 15 degrees. 90 minus theta is in the first quadrant, there is no change in the sign. Again here 90 degrees is in a cos changes to sine. So sine 25 degrees. Now these two angles are lies in between 0 and 45 degrees. So this is a conversion. Next, evaluate this one and this one. So we have to evaluate these two questions. Look at here now. Sine square 15 degrees plus sine square 75 degrees by cos square 36 degrees plus cos square 54 degrees. Right. In terms of sine and cos, we have only one formula, one identity. Cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. This is our identity. If necessary, we can use this one. Right. Now, sine square 15 degrees plus sine square, I am writing this as 90 degrees minus 15 degrees by, this is cos square 36 degrees plus cos square, again I am changing this as 90 degrees minus 36 degrees. Now, this is sine square 15 degrees plus 90 is there, sine changes to cos. So, cos square is in a square, cos square 15 degrees by cos square 36 degrees. Here again 90 is in a cos changes to sine. Sine square is a square 36 degrees. This is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta. Sine square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So this is 1 by cos square theta plus sine square theta. Again this is 1. 1 by 1, this is nothing but 1. So the answer for this is 1. So this is very important for 2 marks question and competitive exam question. And go for the second. Sine 5 degrees, cos 85 degrees, cos 5 degrees, sine 85 degrees. Right. Sine 5 degrees is 1. I am writing this as cos 90 degrees minus 5 degrees. Why? Because that is 85 plus cos 5 degrees and sine, I am writing this as 90 degrees minus 5 degrees. Now this is sine 5. Again 90 is there, we can write sine, again 5 degrees, cos 5 degrees. Here again 90 is there, it will become cos 5 degrees. Now sine 5 means sine square 5 degrees plus this is cos square 5 degrees. Again it is in the form of sine square theta plus cos square theta. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is also 1. Like this we can evaluate the given question. Right. So what is given here? Cot theta plus tan theta is equal to sec theta into cosec theta. So product addition we are changing into the product functions. Right. Once you look at here, take the LHS part. Cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cot. This is nothing but cos theta by sin theta plus tan theta. This is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Tan is sin by cos, cot is cos by sin. Now, what is the LCM? Sin theta, cos theta is the LCM. Right? Cos theta is already there. Sin theta is already there. Now, sin is already there, sir. So that's why we will take cos. Here cos theta. Cos theta is already there. So we will take sin. So now, cos theta, cos square theta, sin theta, sin square theta by sin theta, cos theta. We already know this is nothing but 1. Why? Because cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 by sin theta and cos theta. I am writing this as 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. We already know 1 by sin is nothing but opposite, multiplicative inverse of sin. Multiplicative inverse of sin is nothing but cosec. This is cosec theta. Multiplicative inverse of cos is nothing but sec. This is sec theta, cosec theta, sec theta. Or simply we can write this as sec theta into cosec theta. Why? Because multiplication, we can write either left to right or right to left. We can get the same answer.